doctor strike continues in the state as it enters its 5th day. The state almost lying crippled as doctors from AIIMS also now join in. With outrage over the assault of junior doctors rapidly growing in the state, the Chief Minister has promised a fair investigation, seeking more time in the matter.
Five days on, they're not willing to budge. Doctors' strike in Uttar Pradesh continues. This comes after face-off between doctors and an SP MLA on Friday escalated, with the Kanpur SSP ordering लाठी charge against the doctors.
सबके पास हेलमेट है, सबके पास शील्ड है, चोट लगने का चांस बहुत कम है, इसलिए आप लोग बिल्कुल भी हिचकिएगा नहीं, आप लोग जरूर जाइए और एक बार और इन लोगों की कमर तोड़िए जो लोग आपराधिक घटना करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Doctors joined the protest march in Lucknow on Tuesday, with support pouring in from across the nation.
The whole medical community is one. That's not about AIIMS or any other medical college. It's just about one medical community where we seek our security from everyone. And it's not just about one institute or being the other. It's about the whole nation.
But the SP MLA involved in the brawl, who allegedly ordered a lathi charge on Friday, remains defiant.
मैं अगर दोषी साबित हो जाऊंगा, मैं आप सबके सामने कह रहा हूं, मैं राजनीति से इस्तीफा दे दूंगा.
In fact, the Chief Minister, who met the doctors' delegation to break the deadlock, is yet to find a consensus in the matter, seeking more time to act against the errant SP MLA.
उन्होंने एश्योरेंस दिया कि साहब वो उसको भी देखूंगा, इंक्वायरी सेटअप करूंगा.
कितने दिन का टाइम फ्रेम दिया? 3 वीक का.
3 वीक का उन्होंने कहा FIR लगने का, मगर वो कितने दिन में लगेगी वो कुछ पता नहीं है.
But in this standoff between the government and the medical fraternity, it's the common man who's bearing the brunt.
However, striking doctors had little to rejoice, with government only giving assurances to deal with issue within 3 weeks. Hence, doctors have now decided to take this matter to the general body, where decision to continue or end the strike would be taken.
The opposition stepping up attack on the SP government.
जब ये घटना शुरू हुई, तभी प्रशासनिक क्षमता का परिचय दिया गया होता, तो इस विवाद को रोका जा सकता था.
But the question remains, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, who was also pulled up by the SP chief for encouraging sycophancy, is he losing grip over the state with his party leaders openly flouting the rules? Bureau Report, Times Now.